Prophet ﷺ said in the hadith, إِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ قَعَدَ لِبْنِ آدَمَ بِأَطْرُقِهِ كُلِّهَا. Shaytaan has ambushed the son of Adam in every turn of his path. Shaytaan is lying in wait for all of us. He has devoted his life, dedicated his whole existence to the destruction of humanity. That's what he vowed, to destroy Adam and his descendants. So we are in this life on the path to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, yet the path is not clear. There is an enemy, a sworn enemy, who's not going to leave you even for a second. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ قَالَ أَأَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا. Do you want me to prostrate to this mud creation? أَأَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا قَالَ أَرَأَيْتَكَ هَذَا الَّذِي كَرَّمْتَ عَلَيَّ لَإِنْ أَخَّرْتَنِي إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ لَأَحْتَنِكَنَّ ذُرِّيَّتَهُ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. Do you see this creation that you honored over me? That's how he's speaking to Allah. That you have honored, dignified over me, you want me to prostrate to him? If you give me life till the day of judgment, I shall take control of them. I shall lead them like animals are led. I shall harness them, except for a few. Allah says, اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤكم جزاء موفورا. Allah says, go, be gone. Whoever follows you from among them, Jahannam, the hellfire, will be your abode, and enough it is for you, for the wrongdoers. So Shaytaan has decided from day one that he has no business, no concern, no goal, no plan, but you, to destroy you. Throughout the journey of this life, he's lying in wait. He's planning ahead of you. He's chasing you. He's watching you. He's sharing every moment with you. And that's why Allah says, إِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ لَكُمْ عَدُوٌّ فَاتَّخِذُوهُ عَدُوًّا. Shaytaan is truly an enemy to you, so take him as an enemy. Be aware of the fact that you are in a war. إِنَّ الشَّيْطَانَ لِلْإِنسَانِ عَدُوٌّ مُبِينٌ. Indeed, Shaytaan is a clear enemy for man. And that's not an occasional enemy. There's no moment in your life where you are safe from the plotting and the attacks of Shaytaan. You're under attack all time. At all times, you are the target of Shaytaan. Through different ways and strategies, tactics, Shaytaan will not leave you alone. But the ones who take protection, true protection, sincere protection in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be protected from that.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.